Hi, how y'all doing? My name's Garrett Murphy, and I'm just doing a little creek fishing here. And it seems like I got a little fish on here. So I'm just going to reel it in real fast. Just going to set the camera down for a second. Sorry about that, but here's the fish I got. Just doing a little creek fishing here, so what you might need is a bobber, swivel, a weight, and a hook course. I'm using live bait. Right now I'm running a live grasshopper. Oh, and just want to get this on. Not sure what kind of fish this is. There's a lot in there, but I don't know. It's just maybe a common fish around here. I don't know. But tell me if you like this video or not. I might be posting more outdoor videos. So like, comment, and subscribe.